In the previous video, we saw that LDR sensor can detect light. For example, we have Yoki board. It's like bullock cart, but here we pull the cart with light. Now LDR sensor has various components. Let's take a look at them. Hello everyone, my name is Sai Prakash and this is a series on robotic starter kit. Now the components on the LDR sensor are similar as IR sensor. For example, here also we have 3 pins at the end of sensor which we use it to connect it to the processor. We have 2 LEDs here. When the processor is powered up and the sensor is connected to the processor, one of the LED should switch on. Now when you take a light near to the sensor, the second LED should switch on, and when you take away the light, the second LED should switch off. That's how you can make sure that the LDR sensor is working. Now the sensitivity of LDR sensor can also be controlled with the help of the potentiometer part that is on the sensor. Now there is this screw on the blue square. You can turn the screw to change the sensitivity of the sensor. To increase the sensitivity, you can turn the screw clockwise, and to decrease the sensitivity, you can turn the screw in anti-clockwise direction. Now imagine that a light source is far away from the sensor, then you can increase the sensitivity, then the sensor will be able to detect that light which is far. To recap, we have seen what is the LDR sensor, how does the LDR sensor function, what are the various components of the LDR sensor, and the functions of each components. To build a robot, though the processor and the IR sensor and the LDR sensor are the main components, these are not enough. We need other components and other materials also to build the robots, which can act like the skeleton and the body parts of the robots. Now in the next video, let's take a look at the output bits and other materials which are present in the kit.